Hi, I'm LmKeith, and we are here at BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. I'm going to show you around the 2022 Alante, and we'll start with how gorgeous the colors are. Definitely great colors. It's made by Jayco, and it has the retractable stairs, so when you open the door, the stairs come out. When you close it, the stairs go in like magic. Extra storage all the way around. Easy access to the roof ladder. You've got your dump side, hot water, cold water, electrical cord, 50 amp electrical cord, black water, gray water holding tank, your fuel right there. There we go. And this one goes all the way through to the other side. So you've got room for long things. So let's go inside and we'll show you all the wonderful attributes. So it's huge. It's absolutely spacious. Windows that open. Not all windows on RVs open. Comfortable seats, driver and passenger. So we have this lovely dinette, hard surface table, matching counters. These can convert, it opens up so it could be a bed. But we have staged this unit so it gives you an idea of how comfortable it can be for you. So we've got the lovely hidden TV, so it's not always out there blaring at you. It's concealed so that you can bring it out whenever you feel like watching TV and being comfortable, or if you're gonna cook in your lovely kitchen, you can watch a cooking show, learn how to do something new. I absolutely love the solid surface counters, and not all of them are granite, not all of them are the poured epoxy. They're all different, but I love it because you can put a pot from the stove onto the counter and not worry about a pad, so it's not going to burn the countertop. Hot pad, that's what I'm saying. This couch also converts to a bed, and obviously there's the good size stove and oven, microwave with convection, great size fridge, plenty of storage room for everything, and a good size freezer. Plenty of ice and pot pies in there for you. Good little pantry, extra storage. Back here in the bedroom, we have beautiful mirrored cabinets, and it gives you the illusion of more space. Mirrors always do that. So we'll open this up so you can see how much space there is. Adjustable shelves. We've got the above the bed storage and reading lights, adjustable reading lights, which are really nice because your partner doesn't always want to read as long as you do. So tons of drawers down there below the cupboards, little wall-mounted TV, bathroom, which I'm going to be right in the way, but plenty of room, plenty of elbow room in the bathroom, like your home bathroom, so that you're not all scrunched up. Check that out. Shower door. Beautiful. Look in this cupboard too. And there is a table that goes right in the middle of the captain's chairs. So if you need an extra table while you're traveling or just space while you're entertaining. So we have the bunk bed that easily comes down. So definitely great space for the grandkids or just children to sleep. Plenty of storage room if you're not going to have the kids with you. Very comfy if you just want to hop up there yourself and relax and read. Plenty of visibility, and again, it's easy to get it up and down. Just one button. And the hydraulics are very, very smooth, and they're out of the way, so you don't have to worry about anybody or anything getting caught. And if you don't want to use it at all, it is totally out of the way. You're not going to bump your head. I'm about 5'6", 5'7", you know, depending on the shoes I'm wearing, and there's quite a few inches in between there, so lots of room. And this is the 22 Alante by Jayco. If you're interested, go ahead and give us a call here at BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon.